Okay, so what's happening here? The particle will have a speed u here and a speed v here. And v is less than u. It speeds, by the way. And here, this is where the tension is greatest, 3t. And then this is where the tension is least, t. And it has a weight mg and has a weight mg. So, at its lowest point, the centripetal force is mu squared over r, and that will equal 3t minus mg. And at its highest point, the centripetal force, mv squared over r, that is caused by the mg plus t. I will multiply this by 3, and I shall subtract. So I get mu squared over r. Actually, I'll do the second minus the first. So I'll get 3 mv squared over r minus mu squared over r. That will equal 2 mg. I'll multiply across by r, and just remember that r is 0.5, so that actually cancels that there. I can cancel out the m's, so now I have 3v squared minus u squared is equal to g, I think. Yeah. So, I don't think anything's gone wrong so far. Something feels a bit off though. 3. Oh, yeah, I made a sign mistake in my subtraction. 3mg minus mg. That's 4mg. Yeah, okay. 3t minus 3t. 3mg minus mg is 4mg. And I'll multiply by r, which is a half. So they multiply to make 2. And I can cancel the m's. So I'm left with the equation 3v squared minus u squared equals 2g. There we go. Not quite finished yet though, because I still need to calculate the u. So I think conservation of energy is what I need now. The energy at the top, that's a half mv squared plus, and the height is 1 meter, which is nice, so that's mgh, which is 1, equals the potential at the bottom, a half mu squared. So again, I can cancel out the m's, and if I multiply by 2, I can get rid of the halves there. So I end up with v squared minus u squared equals minus 2g. I shall multiply by 3. So that becomes minus 6. And now I can easily put that equation with that equation again by subtracting the second minus the first. 3v squared minus 3v squared is gone. Minus u squared minus 3u squared is 2u squared. And 2g minus 6g is 8g. So I get u is 4g with a root. So that's going to be u is 2 root g. Yeah. What is that as a number, by the way? As a decimal, I mean. That is about 6.26 meters per second. Okay, hopefully that is correct and there's no slips there. I wonder what the v is. I'm curious. Let me just check that. 2g plus 4g divided by 3, root the answer. That's 4.4 roughly. And yeah, it's less. So it went from about 6 to about 4. Okay, I think that question's okay. Not too bad, I think. Not too bad, I think. Hopefully there's no slips there.